Holidays. Hello teacher, today I am going to talk about my favorite vacation destination, which is Cartagena. Since, since I was little, it has been one of my favorite places, be the sea. I usually stay in a hotel preferably with a sea view. I go with my family, my dad, mom, brother, sister, brothers-in-law, and my niece. I go with them because they are the people I always travel with. We travel by plane. The flight usually take an hour and a half. The food that I like the most is the one that has shrimp, sushi and rice with shrimp, ceviche, seafood casserole, and rice with coconut. Activities to do this during visit islands, travel with boat, and visit tourist cities such as the Castle of San Felipe. The water is hot, and its people are very friendly, hardworking, and cooperative. Thank you.